There are many proven financial remedies that can minimize the effect of your financial troubles successfully. However, it is also a fact that following such remedies might not assure success until and unless you work hard. Success is always a mix of hard work and fortune. At the end of the day, it is our karma which is responsible for the consequences we face. It is also important how a person deals with problems and bounces back. According to Vedic astrology, hanging garlic over the main door of a house or working place brings good luck and stops various diseases and negative energies entering in the house. Garlic removes the evil eye and negative energy surrounding you, and your mind will feel calm and relaxed. If money doesn't stay in your hand, then wrap 2 to 3 garlic buds and 2 to 3 cloves in a red cloth and keep it in your purse or money locker. Do this remedy on Saturday. This will reduce the shortage of money and always keep the pocket full of money. Keep a few garlic buds with some turmeric at your kitchen's entrance. It resolves health-related problems and expenses. To attract money, wrap a few garlic buds along with dry raw turmeric root and a few whole rice grains in a new yellow cloth. Place it in your money locker or hang it anywhere in the room where you kept your money locker. If your business is not running well, there is a continuous loss, then tie 5 to 7 garlic buds in a new red cloth at the main entrance of the shop or office. This brings prosperity in the business. People who often have a fight in the house should burn 2 buds of garlic with mustard and chili on Saturday or Tuesday evening. This will make the atmosphere positive. If someone starts falling sick regularly for no apparent reason, things start going wrong professionally or personally, then move the 5 garlic buds around the person's head 3 times in clockwise direction and throw it at a crossroad. Do not look back after doing this. This will remove the evil eye effects. To attract money, tie 2 buds of garlic in a red cloth and bury it under the ground in the north direction of the house. This will increase wealth prosperity. If you feel negative energy in your house, then place garlic buds in the 4 corners of the house and change it every week. Doing so will remove negativity in the house. People who have scary dreams at night should keep 2 to 3 garlic buds under their pillow at night. Next morning, throw these garlics at a crossroad. This will solve the problem. Keep garlic buds under a woman's pillow in childbirth to keep her as well as her newborn baby safe from any onlookers who may possess the evil eye.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.